Hey guys, this is Chris and I'm going to give you a tour of the Lanai Suite at the Cosmopolitan. So we are in Lanai Suite number 9. It's on the 14th floor right by the pool. So I'm going to give you a tour of the first bathroom slash shower. This is like a nice little maybe guest shower. It's a really cool mirror. You guys get a lot of goodies in here. So let's head over here. This is a really nice mirror type of wall tile. It's amazing. Look at that. So here we have the kitchen, the wet bar. You guys get the basic, drinks in there. You don't want me to talk about that. Nice little sitting area here, so you can enjoy some Patron. That's what we're gonna be drinking tonight. More seating area with a really cool art piece. Perfect vibe. So here we have another living area. That's my wonderful sister. She's gonna take you into the jacuzzi area. But this is the living room, outlooking the pool. TV over there. We have a lot of TVs. So this is the amazing jacuzzi. And we got the suite that led directly to the pool, so you just ask it when you book it. We booked it on a Thursday and we got it at a great price, $500. It's usually like $1,500 around there depending on availability. But this is an amazing pool. It gets cleaned every day. A nice little sitting area, straight access to the pool here. You just re-enter with your key and stuff. And let's take you upstairs. Come on. So let's see upstairs. Actually carpeted. Stairs going up. And what's amazing about this is the projector comes up of the windows over here, overseeing the people at the pool, so you can be like a weirdo, a creep, spying at people, or like giving them a show. You can do a lot of things up here. And it comes with a 1 bed, so we'll see how we fit 3 people here. The nice little TV, the projector will come out of there. I just don't know how to work it yet. This is the amazing king-size bathroom. So you got all this stuff. They give you a toothbrush, mouthwash, body lotion, all that stuff. Closet in here. This is a bathroom. There. You got nice size shower. Pretty nice. A mirror right here too. And that's basically the Lanai Suite. It's really nice and comfy. You don't have to go to the club. You can just stay in here and just party it out. Or I could play some PlayStation on this projector. That'll be amazing. Do that. This is the tour of the Lanai Suite. I hope you like. If you want to know anything regarding the room, let me know. I know you're zooming in on me. That's really weird right there. But yes, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Lanai Suite at the Cosmopolitan. Let me know if you have any questions regarding the room. Yeah, just comment below.